it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you guys how I transform my hair from this crusty looking old twist out and bun to this over here which is sleek edges, very neat flat twist, and of course a little bit of a personality in the bun. To prep my hair for this protective hairstyle, I use the My Natural Hair Moisturizing Butter. I've loved this since the beginning of my journey. In fact, when they launched late 2016, I went for it and I've never stopped loving it. It's a thick butter that is based with shea butter, which I absolutely love. It's got no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no petroleum, no mineral oil. You know that whole story. So it's got all that good stuff. And then the strengthening oil from My Natural Hair as well for sealing. Absolutely love this oil as well. I've used it since forever. To sleek down my edges, I'll be using the My Natural Hair Edge Gel. This is a bomb, I tell you. Let's get straight into this video and watch this transformation.
Hey there, it's Yolz channel.
So we shall begin by tying off this section so that it doesn't disturb us. I always just make sure if I'm working on the one section, I don't want any trouble with the other. And then we can start. I always start on my left. Am I the only one who does that? Flat twists are super easy to do. Just grab two small sections just like that in the front, and then you twist them just like that and cross them over, laying one flat. Then you grab another small section, attach it to the one hair that's on top, cross it over, making sure that you are grabbing all the hair. And then at the end I just do regular two-strand twists just like that. With my trusted toothbrush, I am simply going to brush back all my hair, close any sparses if there are, unless if you like those lines, then you can keep it. Okay, let's attempt to pull these as far back as we can. If we can go into the ponytail, that's perfect. And just put it into a bun. So I'm just gonna clip these. So now to just clip one right above my bun. And this is just to surround my bun like that. Then making sure that my hair is all covered, I literally take the bun just like that and then create a bun. Then I secure with a pin. So that we don't have a disaster. Double check with the mirror if everything looks okay. Then we just pull the hair to just surround the rest of the bun, making it look natural, like it's ours. Okay, so I used 2 sets of these just to make sure that everything is covered. This is how one of the clip ends look like, and yeah, this one has 1. So I used one with 2 clips, the other one has got 3 clips. So yeah, that's how I make that look. Now to sleek them edges, my favorite part. So using this edge gel, I've used this since it's launched and I am absolutely loving it. If you already know me, I am anti edge control because my edges are unruly, but thank goodness for this edge gel. It works for my edges, it works for a hairline that's thick. You know, if you've got hair that's thick and coarse, this is it, you guys. So I usually scoop from the tub and then just leave some on my hand like that, back of my hand, and then I begin. So laying your edges can totally be up to you. I literally love to just lay a tad bit, not too much, because it's not like I have a lot of baby hairs anyway, and I don't want to be looking like I'm selling gel on my head, you know what I'm saying? So this is how it would work if you used your fingers, which I sometimes do prefer just for control. It's really up to you. So I've already sleeked down this side of my hair, and I'm going to show you how I did it on this side. You want to start with a tad bit on your hand and build it up, especially if it's your first time using edge gel and you don't know how your hair will react. You know, if you do know that you've got thicker hair, then yes, you can use a little more, but for me, everything in doses, everything in moderation. So yeah, I'll start with literally like that. I'm not sure if you can pick it up on the camera, and just lay the front of my hair. Just a tad bit, just like that, and then you can build it on from there. If you find that you've got excess gel on your actual hair where you don't want it, just scrape it off with your finger and it will go away immediately. Almost done. Now I take my time with this one because I'm cautious of how much gel I use on my hair. 2, this has never built up on me. I've never seen like build up, but I don't also want to see. If you've got thick hair like mine, then you want to work the product in just to make sure that you avoid any type of build-up. You want it to shine rather than build up. Anyway, we're still going to add a dook and lay the edges and let them lay, but you don't want to see, you know, the hairs that you're not laying to have excess product. You don't want that with any edge gel for that matter. I'm using my dook, the normal one, the one that you should know, just to lay my edges. And I'm going to keep this literally for 5 minutes as I clean up. So I've just removed my dook and I am absolutely loving the results. What I love about this edge gel is that it doesn't flake and it actually gets to lay my thick, unruly edges, which is a rare thing. And it also makes it look natural, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't look like I've got a ton of gel on my hair. It doesn't look like, you know, I'm shiny, no. And it complements the hairstyle overall. It looks neat. Perfect for, you know, school, date night, a casual day out, whatever the occasion. I feel like I could literally live in this hairstyle for a good week and I could feel good, and all that I need to touch up on is literally just my edges, you know, because it won't flake. I'm good to go tomorrow if I just add a little bit of that, lay them edges and go. Yes, honey. Alrighty, honeys, that's it from me. I am absolutely loving this hairstyle. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and of course do subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.